Your problems from the number 14 we are doing related to vectors plus 3D. Last time we have got one number problem is here, that is forces acting over. Now you see that the fourth number A bar is equal to lambda I minus 7j 3k. B bar lambda j 2 lambda k. A bar comma B bar in brackets when you write, this is a symbolic form for angle between the vectors. Sometimes they use it also. Angle between the vectors is greater than 90 degrees. Find lambda value. Answers are in the interval notations. So we need values of lambda. Angle between the vectors greater than 90 means the second quadrant. Second quadrant. Then we know A dot B is A B cos theta. Okay, this is our formula. From this, cos theta is second quadrant, cos is negative. Okay, sin is positive. Then the denominators anyway non-zero real numbers cancel or else cross multiply. Therefore, the A dot B must be negative. Lambda square minus 7. 6 lambda negative. Make it in the order a quadratic inequality. We know well about inequalities how to solve because of linear programming chapter. Factors are there, minus 7, and in between we need 6. 7 comma minus 1. Therefore, lambda plus 7, lambda minus 1 product negative. When product negative, it lies between two numbers. Product positive does not lie between, means outside. It lies outside the numbers. Hence, over. Simple inequality we are solving. You are getting interval notation where this is in the first option. It is in the first option. Okay. Then number 5, a vector I plus x times j 3k is rotated from, suppose this is position of this vector, is rotated to other position, to some angle. This is its new position. In the new position, it becomes, means in the new position, after rotation, through an angle theta and doubled in its magnitude, it becomes 4i plus 4x minus 2 j 2k. Find the values of x. Simple geometry is here. Suppose this is original position of A bar. This is A bar. Once it is rotated through theta, you cannot go like this. Angular measurement is anti-clock. Then it becomes like this. This is new position. What is angle here? We are going theta. With this angle, this is new position. In this new position, what is vector here? This is given. But this vector is magnitude is same as double the magnitude of A bar. Okay, that is given. What is implied? 2 times of A bar must be equal to magnitude of vector in the new position. Simple. That the statement we have to understand. That is why I wrote here again lines. This is initial position, original position. A bar is rotated with an angle theta. It becomes B bar. Such that relation between magnitudes. This magnitude of B bar is equal to twice magnitude of A bar. Therefore, then finishing only. What is A bar magnitude here? 2 times root of 1 x square 9 is equal to root of 16 4x minus 2 4. And as well algebra only, squaring, cancel any common number. 4 into 10 plus x square. 16 4x minus 2 whole square. Take 4 outside. Cancel. X square plus 10. 4 outside. 4. 2 outside. 4. 4 outside. 1. And as well, equations we are getting 5 4x square minus 4x 1. Simplification only. You can finish here. 3x square minus 4x 6 minus 10. Okay. Follow. 6 minus 6 plus 2. 3x square minus 6x 2x minus 4. Then here 3x common, 2 common, again x minus 2 common. All this factorization only, calculation. Original subject once we understand, next time next calculations you must be very speedy. These are the values of x as per ABCD. Either one answer or 2 answers. See, set he is writing 2 answers. Minus 2 by 3 comma 2, first option only. Given. Simple procedure. It is rotated. This concept we have in geometry again, okay? Coordinate geometry. Then it is called rotation of axis. Rotation of vector from one position to other position through some angle theta. Okay. That concept is very essential in mains and advanced. Why I told this information? They will give you A bar. Angle they will give you theta, 30 degrees. Then we are finding this position. This is possible to find this answer. Okay, definitely it is possible. That is what. So, geometrical problem. 60 is also geometry only because vector 3D nothing but geometry only means. PQRS position vectors of 4 points given. OP minus 2i minus j. OQ only 4i. OR 3 3. OS minus 3i 2j. Then he is giving one quadrilateral PQRS. What kind of quadrilateral possible? Square or rectangular, but not square or rhombus or whatever they want to, parallelogram or anything. So we are mind with the 4: parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus. First, find the PQ. OQ minus OP. 4i plus 2i plus j. So this direction I am doing like this. PQRS Okay. PQ over QR. OR minus OQ. Minus I 3J. PQ, QR, RS. OS minus OR. Minus 6I minus J. SP. OP minus OS. I minus 3J. You see the relation between PQ and RS? Exactly minus of RS is equal to minus of PQ. Opposite direction, exactly equal. Their magnitudes are equal. Means lengths of the sides are equal. Next you see here. QR is equal to minus RS. PS. So their magnitudes equal. That means we got opposite sides equal. Where we have opposite sides equal? Parallelogram possible, rectangle possible, square possible. We don't know. Adjacent sides check for angle. PQ, QR. What is their dot product? PQ dot QR. We are finding. What is dot product? Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 3. Not 0. So they are not perpendicular. PQ is not perpendicular to QR. Similarly, other two we have got PQ, QR. Next PQ, PSI. See, PQ 6, PSI opposite. I write here 6I plus J dot with minus I plus 3J. Minus 6 plus 3. This is also not 0. Not perpendicular. Adjacent sides are not perpendicular. Then definitely it is not a square. It is not rectangle. First option. Parallelogram which is neither rhombus nor rectangle. Very good. Therefore write down. What is our answer is now? Is parallelogram but not a rectangle or rhombus. It is given as per answers. A is best answer because B is a square not possible, C rectangle not possible, D also not possible. That is reason we have got verifications. Basics in geometry only. Next, seventh. One vector is given, like fifth problem model, that fourth problem model. What is vector here? A bar is equal to C log x base 2 multiplied I minus 6j 3k. B bar log x base 2 into I 2j 2c log x base 2. C is there here into k. So, if these vectors make obtuse angle between A bar comma B bar is obtuse angle. This is notation, order type. In brackets if you write. Obtuse angle means like fourth problem. greater than 90. Greater than 90 means cos theta negative. Cos theta negative means A dot B negative. What is A dot B here? I components. C into log x base 2 whole square minus 12 plus 6c log x. Write down in the order. We are getting one quadratic inequality. This is called less than 0. Here we use one concept in quadratic inequalities. There is a constant. Here I will write in the brackets ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, negative. Then coefficient of x square is negative, discriminant value negative. Same sign, that is called. Suppose here it is positive, a will be positive. Roots are complex. This is our, you say either theorem or property. You can take that as a result in synopsis, which is actually from algebra inequalities only. Quadratic inequalities, that is also. So with that we consider what is here A meaning C. C is less than 0. What is b square minus 4ac value? Because it is quadratic in log b square. Where is b square? This is A. B. This is C one. Okay? B square 36 C square minus 4 C and minus 1 must be negative. Then 36 C square plus 48 C negative. Cancel one number. 12 cancel. 12 into 3, 12 into 4. 3c square, 4c. C common. 3c plus 4 negative. Product is negative. Okay. Then 3c plus 4 less than 0. What is c value? Minus 4 by 3. Okay. Here all negative values before minus 4 by 3. How many we can go? Infinite numbers. Where? Left side. Then how to express into interval notations? Minus infinity to, actually what is real line diagram? This is minus 4 by 3 origin here. Before minus 4 by 3, but not, so excluding. This is our solution set. Like that many values possible. Hence, where is the interval notation here? Second option. So, according to problem, do the solution. While doing solution, what kind of options they are asking? In that way also we have to approach. The solution should go towards ABCD, not to any other direction. Some other way it will go also according to solution sometimes. Must be careful. Then 8th one, A cross B is C bar, B cross C is A bar. Some relations in ABC he is giving answers to values. C is 1, B is 1, A equal to B is equal to so on, right? That means we have to Find the values of A, B, C or anything. Generally we know A cross B is a vector perpendicular to plane of A bar B bar. Therefore, what is A cross B given C? That means C is perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. Same reason here also. A is perpendicular to B bar comma C bar. What is implied? All the three are mutually perpendicular. Every two are perpendicular, like coordinate axis x, y, z. A B 0, B C 0, C A 0, because they are perpendicular. And what is it? Next to nothing is given. That was only. Then A cross B whole square C square. Cross product. Okay. What is cross product? A square B square sin theta, because they are perpendicular, equal to C square. This is 1. Square also not necessary. Okay. A square B square equal to C square implies AB equal A and B is equal to C. One relation is enough. We have got AB equal to C. Magnitude is equal. Consider the same relation here. B C must be A. This is second relation. Real numbers. A instance here is magnitude. Now you can combine them. How you will combine? Write down C value here. B A B A. In the place of C we are writing this value. A cancel. Magnitude B square is 1. Then their magnitude is plus or minus 1. Okay. Answers are positive only. 1. If they give minus 1 also correct. Then when B magnitude is 1, write down anywhere, either here or here. What is implied? A equal to C. Therefore, magnitudes of A comma C are equal. Hence, finish it. Therefore, the relation, first option A1 not getting it. Second C1 not getting it. B2 not getting it. Finally, fourth must be correct. When ABC fails, D must be correct only. Therefore, very simple. Ninth, a vector perpendicular to both. What are the both? A bar is given one vector I, J, K. B bar is another vector I plus J. And then this only. Any vector perpendicular to A comma B is A cross B. So find A cross B. Determinant of I, J, K. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0. Expand. I into 0 minus 1 minus J. 0 minus 1. K. 1 minus 1. And therefore minus I plus J. Answer is finished. Then what is its magnitude? Root 1 plus 1. If you consider unit vector means A cross B by magnitude only. That means take minus outside. I minus J. If you take this as any real number, something like lambda, K, C or anything, here he is writing in third option, where C is a scalar. C into I minus J, where C is a scalar. What is the scalar value here? Minus 1 by root 2. second answer, first answer not possible. And the third option, C is given. Instead of -1 by root 2, suddenly he is writing some unknown variable called C. This is also right only. He is writing like this. C value is -1 by root 2, and we have got that it is actually unit vector. Even though that it is not mentioned in the data unit vector, but he is writing answers in terms of unit vector for some scalar C. So, what is common property? Any vector perpendicular to plane of A comma B is its cross product. Okay. Next. 10th. Magnitude of A bar 2, B bar is 3. Given that A and B are perpendicular, then area of triangle whose adjacent sides are, adjacent means all the sides only. First one is origin, A plus B, A minus B. What is area of triangle? Generally we have result half A cross B. Here one vector is A plus B cross A minus B. Find the A cross A minus A cross B plus B cross A minus B cross B. Cross product of similar vectors is 0. Half of B cross A plus B cross A, 2 times B cross A or A cross B. 2 cancel. Hence we have only A cross B or B cross A, because it is magnitude anyway. It is not a problem with the theta, because they are perpendicular also. A is perpendicular to B, same as B is perpendicular to A. Now what is magnitude of this vector? AB. Sin 91. Where AB is given 2 into 3. So third option. That is it. Now summation of 2 unit vectors is, this problem was in physics also. It is there in physics. How it is given in physics? If the sum of 2 vectors is a unit vector, then find the difference of their 2 vectors. That is problem answer. Okay? Sum of 2 unit vectors is third vector. Isn't that C bar? What are the unit vectors we will consider? A plus B is equal to C, where AB are 1. AB are 1. Unit vector. Then what is our question here? What is the magnitude of A minus B? Difference. What is the modulus? Means magnitude of difference of that unit vectors. Here C is also 1 only. Their sum is unit vector given. Squaring A plus B whole square is C square. When we consider square here, immediately vectors becomes scalars. That is why we have to put modulus. A square B square 2 times A dot B is 1. C square is 1. Okay. Next 1 2 times again dot product 1 is also 1. 2 common 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta half cos theta half minus 1 concept, one relation value we got. With this cos theta, what we do? Consider A minus B whole square. Okay. A square, B square, 2 times A dot B. Again they are 1 only. 1. What is A dot B value? Minus 1 by 2. Because AB 1 only. Cancel. Plus 1, 3. Then what is difference of vectors magnitude is must be plus or minus root 3. Okay. Then the modulus, and because this modulus he is using, it is actually called positive value. Magnitude at the same time modulus. Actually it speaks strictly positive value. Therefore root 3 is correct. First option. Next 12. Unit vector coplanar with. Coplanar with. Some calculation is there here. Okay. So a unit vector statement is a unit vector coplanar with I, j, 2k, comma, I, 2j, k. Also given it is perpendicular to I plus j plus k. Complete information given. Consider one general vector ai, bj, ck is unit vector. When it is unit vector, therefore, what is their magnitude? 1. First condition. When we say three vectors are coplanar, this, coplanar. What is property? This vector, ijk vector and I plus 2j k vector, given that they are coplanar, what is property? We wrote last time also. Box must be 0. Box in the sense scalar triple product. Determinant is 0. Now write down determinant a, b, c, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. Simplify. A into 1 minus 4. B into 1 minus 2 plus. Okay. C into 2 minus 1. C 0. Or 3a minus b minus c 0. Okay. Second relation. Now, this vector is perpendicular since a, I, b, j, c, k perpendicular to I plus j plus k. Dot product 0. A plus b plus is 0. All three relations, three unknowns compatible. Elimination process. Algebra only. Consider 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? Simple. B cancel, C cancel. 4a 0. One answer is over. A is 0. When A is 0, B plus C must be 0. Okay. B plus C, 0. That means B equal to minus C. Write down in 1. 0. B square. B square. 1. 2b square. 1. B equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Because they are equal with the opposite side. C is also minus or plus 1 by root 2. Suppose B is 1 by root 2. So we will write answer now. One answer is 1 by root 2 j, because A is 0. Minus 1 by root 2 k. B positive, I wrote C negative. R minus 1 by root 2 j. Two answers we are getting. No other condition, B positive, negative, nothing is mentioned. And hence, in these two, one will be in the options. Where we have? First answer, j minus k by root 2. All others are in IJK. Wrong only. He is giving this answer. Yes. Next, lines are given in the symmetric form. When we say two lines perpendicular, the product of drs, sum of the product of drs must be 0. X minus x1 by a1, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. This is formula. X minus x1 by a1, b1, c1. Another one, a2, b2. When we say that perpendicular a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 is 0. But only careful here, must be x minus. Arrange the other. That is the only one adjustment. Otherwise, problem is easy only. X minus 1 by minus 3. Y minus 2 by 2 alpha by 2. Second equation. First one is okay. Minus 2 by 1. No? Z minus 6 by minus 5. Take this now. What is product? Minus 9 alpha, 2 alpha, minus 10, 0. Minus 7 alpha, 10. Minus 10 by, is asking alpha value. Very good. Minus 10 by 7, 10 by 7, all that present and hence answer is A. First option. 15th, a plane makes intercepts 3 and 4 on z axis, x axis. Intercept form of the plane means intercept form of the straight line. What is the straight line's intercept form? X by a, y by b equal to 1. Because this is 2-dimensional, we have like this: a, b, x by a, y by b. Whereas if you go for 3 dimensions, how you can consider not line, it becomes plane. Okay. The 3 dimensions of a straight line becomes plane. Therefore, plane is meeting in this way. At the corner, if you keep, that means it will be like this. It is not that it will touch origin. It will not. Therefore, ABC are the intercepts. Then what is plane equation in the intercept form? X by a, y by b, extra z coordinate. Here in the data, z intercept is 3. This is 3. X intercept 4. Here it is 4. Only y is missing because it is parallel to y axis. So y is 0. 0 by b. Leave it. Then what is the answer? X by 4, z by 3. 3x, 4z, 12 is the answer. Simple intercept form. According to axis, we are writing whichever is missing. It is parallel to y axis. Okay. So this is not this. Any axis they can change. According to values, you are writing answer. Then 16th. So midpoints of sides of triangle. Very, very useful geometry problem. This is in coordinate geometry. In the beginning, very long back, I gave one result. Whenever we know the midpoints, how to find vertices? Very simple technique I gave. That is useful here. Okay, midpoints of AB, BC, CA, R, L00, 0M0, 00N. In this case, he is asking sum of the squares by sum of the squares is how much it is. Numbers giving the answer basically. Now, so if you draw one diagram here, triangular region ABC, right? AB midpoint. This is L00. Next order 0M0. Next 00N. According to coordinates, what do we understand here? This is on x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Midpoints are on the axes. How to find ABC? See, A is equal to sum of these two minus this L plus 00 minus M N. How to get B vertex? Sum of this L M minus N. What is C vector? Minus L M N. ABC over. Find AB square. Distance formula. These two. What is AB square? Because L is cancelled. L cancelled. 2M whole square. 4M square. 4M square. BC square. By cyclic order you can write that. BC, which is the same. M is the same. Cancelled. 4L square. 4L square. CA square. Cyclic, which is missing. M N. You have to get L. See, N is common. Complete. Substitute here. Numerator. What is numerator value? Everywhere 4 is common. 4 into entire 4 is outside by. Again numerator, each one is repeated twice. So 8 into answer is finished, therefore 8. All this is easy only when you know geometry very well. You are getting. If you don't know this, impossible. It becomes a 20 minutes problem. You have to solve 6 equations, not easy. Okay. How I wrote, again I will give idea, these coordinates. Because that question is possibly in coordinate geometry also. Not only here, suddenly they can ask. I write one example like this. A, B, C. A, 3, 4. 1, 2, 6, 7, 7, 9. Any number. How to find midpoints? And midpoints is only. I am giving the reverse. Midpoints I will give you. Very good. See. D, 3, 4. E, 1, 4. 1, 5. Yes, 4. 7, 9. How to find vertices? Reverse problem. Assume that A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3. Since midpoint formula x1 plus x2, y2, 7, y1 plus y2, y2, 5. Here 2 equations, here 2 equations, 6 equations. Eliminate 4 equations. Eliminate 2 equations. Solve them. Go to next. Go to next. Process is full guarantee that it will go for somewhere. And it is not used in exam. In coordinate geometry. In first day of geometry I gave an idea. Okay. How to write answers without doing anything. Okay. You want A. These two are near, this is far away. Right? Adding these two, 7 plus 1, 8 minus 3, 5. Y, 14 over. Okay. Nearest is adding, far away subtracting. If you want to B, 10 minus 1, 9, 13 minus 5, 8, C, 4 minus 7, 9 minus 9. Answer is finished without putting anything. All three we are finding. This side is here. Okay. Hence, this type of geometry things very costly and useful because method is very long. So, important. Next, symmetric form. For this way of doing, maximum another 3 or 2 left we are finishing, and somewhere in another assignment also I will give you. Okay. Next class we will continue problems still. Somewhere I am doing. Okay. Right.